Hi, I'm Nathan Inigas, and I'm a Dietech intern at Benedictine University. Today, we're going to cook Parmesan Encrusted Flounder. So here's the flounder. It's a nice simple recipe, only 6 ingredients. We have flounder, salt, pepper, Parmesan cheese, extra virgin olive oil, butter, and panko breading. The very first step we need to do is preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Second, we need to pan the fish. Next, we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. So first thing we're going to add is 3/4 cups of Parmesan cheese. Then we're going to add a 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. Then we're going to add 4 tablespoons of butter that we already pre-melted in the microwave. And after that, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Okay, next we're going to mix the breading for the fish. And then we're going to go ahead and sprinkle this on the fish. Alright, now that we have the fish breaded, we're going to go ahead and throw it in the oven. It's now heated up to 425 degrees, so let's go ahead and slide it in there for 15 minutes. Alright, now that the fish is ready, let's take it out of the oven. Here you go, and you'll see this nice golden crisp on the top of it. Perfectly cooked. And if you do want to check more, you can check the internal temperature, make sure it's above 145 degrees, as well as check for flakiness. So there you have it, Parmesan encrusted flounder made in under 30 minutes. Now the side you can choose, I've chosen broccoli. You can also choose asparagus or spinach as well. Now the nutritional information for the fish is going to be 400 calories, 34 grams of protein, 7 grams of carbs, and 25 grams of fat.